Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the latest Facebook Live craft workshop project to share with you. It is the Daphne Flip Flap album and box, decorated here in the beautiful papers from Come One Come All by Graphic 45. But this is just my sample. The box, when finished, is 9¼ wide by 5¾ high by 2¾ deep. And then the album inside is 8¼ by 5¼ and 2¼ deep. So a really lovely size. You can decorate the project with 12 by 12 papers for the box, 8 by 8 papers for the inside, and it makes a great little gift or keepsake. So let me show you what it is. As you can see, it's just really lovely little oblong box. It's got a magnetic closure on the front, I love that, and a lift up lid that's held open with 2 ribbons, and the front drops down. We've got the magnetic closure built into the front, and it houses this fun little flip flap album. I always decorate the inside of my boxes in black so that you can see everything that goes inside, and it really pops. So that is the little box, and then the little album has got a split front, a ribbon tie. It's a bit flippy because I haven't packed it out with my pictures. And then when you open the ribbons, look how gorgeous the papers are. I've done some fussy cutting as well. I haven't done that for ages, just to carry on the flowers from the box onto the album cover. And then you open up, and there are 6 pages that interfold and layer over each other, little pockets in the front and pockets on each page to put your pictures on. So I've just chosen some random pictures to put them in so that you can see. I know you love to see how albums look. I haven't over decorated it. This is just the class sample. Obviously there are lots of embellishments that go with this collection, but the purpose of the class is for you to make the basic product, decorate it in your choice of papers, and embellish it to suit whatever it is that you're going to add in afterwards. But I have put some pictures in so that you can see what they look like. So a standard 6 by 4 picture fits on the front of each page. We've also got a nice deep pocket for tags or whatever you want to pop in there. 2 pockets on the inside covers. I've put a picture of Pirate Harry in that one, and then just a little tag in the one on the right. And then the page opens out. So when you've got all of the pages opened out, you can see a really lovely montage of pictures if you wanted to sort of create a memory of a day out on each layer. I like to clip my pictures onto the page so that you can see the gorgeous papers. We've got a pocket on the back of this one, flat front on the back of that one, a nice deep pocket here, perfect for 6 by 4 photos on a photo mount, but not 5 by 7, they're too big for the album. And I've also coordinated the colours as well from the collection. I like to do that just to give you an idea of how well the papers blend together. So I've gone reds on the front, and then blues on the next layer with a hint of red at the side, and then I've gone for the gorgeous black and red spots, big spot, little spot, created a pocket here on the back of the page, and then it opens right out. We've got the diamonds in the centre with the yellow, and then right in the centre there is a little waterfall tied together with double ribbon bows, and it does layer over itself. So that's another place for 8 more photos, and then centerfold right in the middle to put maybe a feature photo. So this is the project for the class. It's delivered through Facebook Live. All you need to do to join is be a member on Facebook, not necessarily use Facebook, but just have an account so that you can join the class. Everything you need is downloadable from the class There are pre-class videos, an introduction to the project, a slideshow of pictures so that you can see what the finished album looks like, and a chipboard cutting guide, because the purpose of the class is for you to use your own basic supplies and papers to create the class project. So I do a chipboard cutting guide. There's 4 written instructions that is downloadable from the Facebook group, as well as being sent out by email. And then there are 2 2-hour live classes, but if you can't make the live classes, they're available to watch afterwards. This project is going live. The live classes are Friday the 12th and Saturday the 13th of November at 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. We're here in the UK, but they can be watched after the event. So if you love the project and you'd like to join me to make it, then follow the link below. That will take you to the booking page, and we look forward to seeing you in the class. Thanks for watching.